All right, I noticed that the clouds are sitting in an ideal position for a colorful sunset, so I'm hoping that will be the case this evening. I'm gonna try and get a time lapse of that happening. But first, I'd like to grab a gift card from the BEAK. You guys sell gift cards?
Yeah, we do. Yeah, you should be all set then.
All right, thanks a lot. So this is a $20 gift card to the BEAK. I think Sitka has some of like the best sunsets. Man, it is gorgeous out here. And that is awesome. Well, it looks like the sunset's losing most of its color at this point, so we're gonna pull the plug and then stash this gift card somewhere for the first one who finds it to pick up. All right, we're starting to lose light here. Okay. So I'm gonna put it right here, and all I gotta do is reach on in there, and you will find it. That's a $20 gift card to the BEAK. So when you find it, go ahead and take some pictures of yourself using it at the BEAK to promote them, and then I'll include those pictures if you send them to starlingbirch1@gmail.com in my next video. Anyway, thanks a lot for watching, and yeah, hopefully we'll do another gift cache soon.